What if you could cook breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even family-sized meals on one versatile cooking surface? Whether you're making pancakes on a Sunday morning, grilling burgers for game day, or preparing a quick weeknight dinner, having enough cooking space can make all the difference. Before we get started, if you love discovering smart kitchen gadgets, premium Amazon finds, and products that make cooking easier, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest recommendations. Today we're taking a closer look at the Zojirushi Gourmet Sizzler electric griddle. At first glance, this isn't your average electric griddle. Zojirushi is known for producing high-quality kitchen appliances, and this model is designed to deliver consistent performance, durability, and convenience. One of the first things you'll notice is its large cooking surface, giving you plenty of room to prepare multiple servings at once. Instead of cooking in batches, you can cook breakfast for the whole family or prepare several foods simultaneously. But what really sets this griddle apart is its diamond pattern cooking surface. This unique design helps protect the nonstick coating while also reducing food sticking during cooking. That means easier food release and less hassle when it's time to clean up. And if you'd like to check today's price, customer reviews, and any available Amazon discounts, you'll find the direct product link in the description below. Amazon deals can change frequently, so it's always worth checking before making your purchase. Another standout feature is the variable temperature control. With settings ranging from a gentle 176 degrees Fahrenheit keep warm mode all the way up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, you have the flexibility to cook a wide variety of foods with precision. Need to keep pancakes warm while you finish cooking bacon? No problem. Want to sear burgers, grill vegetables, or prepare sizzling stir-fry dishes? This griddle can handle it. The cooking plate also features a titanium and ceramic-enhanced triple-layer nonstick coating, helping improve durability while making everyday cooking and cleaning easier. One feature many users appreciate is the included convenient lid. Not only does it help food cook faster by trapping heat, but it also reduces oil splatter around your kitchen and allows you to steam certain foods more effectively. With its powerful 1500 watt heating system, the Zojirushi Gourmet Sizzler heats quickly and maintains consistent temperatures across the cooking surface, helping deliver reliable results meal after meal. Another unique advantage is compatibility with Zojirushi's optional takoyaki plate accessory, which can prepare up to 26 takoyaki balls at once for those who enjoy Japanese-style cooking. It's easy to see why this electric griddle has earned an impressive 4.6-star rating from nearly 2,000 customers who appreciate its performance, versatility, and premium build quality. Whether you're cooking breakfast, hosting family gatherings, preparing meal prep recipes, or simply looking for a more versatile indoor cooking solution, this griddle offers a professional-level cooking experience right on your countertop. Backhand index pointing right if you're looking for a premium electric griddle that offers excellent cooking performance, easy cleanup, and enough space for family meals. Be sure to check the product link in the description below. There you'll find today's pricing, customer reviews, complete specifications, and any limited-time Amazon deals that may currently be available. And if you enjoy discovering high-quality Amazon products that actually improve your cooking experience, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let us know in the comments, what would you cook first on this griddle?